Good morning, students. Today in this video I am discussing about problems on by using Gram-Skin process. Okay, last video I am discussing about theory of Gram-Skin process. Okay, in this video I am discussing about problems by using Gram-Skin process. Okay, first problem given set is a basis for a subspace W is equal to span of 2 minus 5 1 4 minus 1 2. Okay, this is the span of the vectors, means vectors and scalars. Then in this we have to use Gram-Skin process to produce an orthogonal basis for W. Okay na, నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఆర్థోగోనల్ బేసిస్ ఫర్ W ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలో చెప్పాను. ఓకేనా, ఇక్కడ ఎలా చేయాలంటే బై యూజింగ్ Gram-Skin process. Okay, by using this Gram-Skin process. Actually, what is the Gram-Skin process? Formula ఏంటి Gram-Skin process ki? We have to find out vectors. Okay na, in Gram-Skin process we have to find out vectors. That is equal to V1 is equal to x1, V2 is equal to, that is x1 comma x2 and so on xp. These are the scalars. Okay, basis is these are the scalars. Then we have to find out vectors. That is V1 is equal to x1, V2 is equal to x1 minus x2 into V1 by V1 into V1 into V1. Okay na, into V1. Then V3 is equal to x1 minus x2. V3 is equal, V2 is equal to x1 x3 x2 minus here, x2 minus x2 into V1 by V1 into V1 into V1. Then V3 is equal to x3 minus V3 into x3 into V1 by V1 into V1 into V1 and minus x3 into V2 by V2 into V2 into V2. Okay, this is the Gram-Skin process. By using this Gram-Skin process we have to find out this, what is that orthogonal basis for W. Okay na, first manaki data em icharu, given data rasukundam. The given W is equal to span of 2 minus 5 1 comma 4 minus 1 2. Okay, here let x1 is equal to, here this is x1 and x2. x1 is equal to 2 minus 1 1 and x2 is equal to 4 minus 1 2. x1 is equal to 2 minus 1 x2 is equal to 4 minus 1 2. In this, by using first enti a, what is that? By using Gram-Skin process. By using this process, what is the V1? V1 is equal to x1, that is V1 is equal to x1 means 2 minus 5 1 and V2 is equal to, what is the formula? x2 minus x2 into V1 by V1 into V1 into V1 into V1 and then x2 means, what is the x2? 4 minus 1 2 and x2 into V1 by V1 into V1 into V1 means first we have to find out x2 into V1. x2 into V1, what is the x2? 4 minus 1 2. V1 means V1 is equal to x1, that is 2 minus 5 1. We have to doing some multiplication. 4 into 2 is 4 into 2 plus minus 1 into minus 5 plus 2 into 1, that is 4 2s are 8, minus into minus plus 5 1s are 5 plus 2, that is equal to 15. Okay, next to V1 into V1, what is the V1? 2 minus 5 1 and 2 minus 5 1, 2 2s are 2 into 2 plus minus 5 into minus 5 plus 1 into 1, that is equal to 2 2s are 4, minus into minus plus 5 5s are 25 plus 1, that is equal total 30. Next, what is the formula? V2 is equal to x2 minus x2 into v1 by v1 into v1 into v1. That is, what is the x2? 4 minus 1 2 and minus x2 into v1 means 15 by v1 into v1 means 30 and v1 means 2 minus 5 1. Okay, 4 minus 1 2 cancel cheste 15 ones are 15 twos are, that is equal to 1 by 2. 2 minus 5 1. Multiplication cheste 4 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 4 minus 1 2. 2 by 2 is 1 minus 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Subtract this 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus into minus plus 5 by 2 2 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 4 minus 1 3 minus 1 plus 5 by 2. Then LCM change, LCM cheste minus 2 plus 5, that is 3 by 2. ఇక్కడ కూడా 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1 3, 3 by 2. This is the, what is this? This is V2. Okay na? This is V2. Next మనకి ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ మనం ఆర్థోగోనల్ బేసిస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే నా? ఆర్థోగోనల్ బేసిస్ ఫర్ బేసింగ్ గ్రామ్స్కిన్ ప్రాసెస్. దెన్ 2 V1 వచ్చింది, V2 వచ్చింది. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఆర్థోగోనల్ బేసిస్ ఫర్ W. Therefore ఆర్థోగోనల్ basis for W is, what is that? 2 minus 5 1 comma V2, ఇది V1 మనకి x1 x2 ఇచ్చారు. దెన్ V1, what is the V1? 2 minus 5 1. V2 ఏంటి? 3 3 by 2 3 by 2. This is the orthogonal basis by using Gram-Schmidt process. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి? B ఏమన్నారు? B చూడండి ఒకసారి. ఫైండ్ అన్ ఆర్థోగోనల్ బేసిస్ ఆఫ్ ది సబ్ స్పేస్ స్పాన్డ్ బై ది వెక్టర్స్. ఓకేనా? స్పాన్డ్ బై ది వెక్టర్స్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నారు. అంటే V1 V2 హియర్ ఈ వాల్యూ, ఈ ఇచ్చిన గివెన్ డేటాని ఇక్కడ ఏమనుకుంటామంటే V1 V2 అనుకుంటాం. ఓకేనా? వీటిని ఏమనుకుంటాం? V1 V2. సారీ ఆల్రెడీ V1 V2 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. V1 V2 ఏంటి మనకు ఆల్రెడీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసింది? ఇవి 2 minus 1. దిస్ ఇస్ ద V1 V2. వీటిని బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? హియర్ లెట్ U1, U2 ఆర్ ది orthogonal basis for the vectors. Okay na? U1 U2 are the orthogonal basis, or orthogonal basis for the vectors V1 V2. Vectors V1 V2. Here orthogonal, actually this is the orthogonal basis. U1 U2 are the orthogonal basis. The formula enti U1 is equal to 1 by length of the vector. This is the length of the vector into V1. Okay, మనం length of the vector ని ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం? దట్ ఈస్ V1 is equal to square root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is the formula of length. Okay na? 1 by V1 means, what is the V1? V1 is equal to 2 minus 5 1. చూడండి ఏ ప్రాబ్లంలో చేసాం, 2 minus 5 1. అండ్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ది వెక్టర్ అంటే 2 square, a square b square c square. 2 square means 4, b square means plus 25, c square means plus 1 square into 1. V1 means 2 minus 5 1. Okay, 1 by root 30, that is 2 minus 5 1, that is equal to 2 by root 30 minus 5 by root 30 1 by root 30. This is the U1. Okay na? This is the U1. Next U2. U2 is equal to same formula. Then V2, length of the vector V2 into V2. Okay na? V2 ఏంటి మనకి? V2 is equal to 3 by 2 3 by 2. Okay na? Length of the vector అంటే 3 square. Square root of 3 square, it means 9 plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 2 whole square into 3 by 2 3 by 2 square root of 1 by square root of 9 plus 9 by 4 plus 9 by 4 into 3 by 2 3 by 2 by is equal to square root of LCM చేస్తే 4 వస్తుంది 9 4s are 36 plus 9 plus 9 plus that is 3 by 2 3 by 2 36 plus 9 45 45 plus 9 54 then 1 by square root of 54 by square root of 4 అంటే 2 3 by 2 3 by 2 by root 54 3 by 2 3 by 2 that is equal to మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే 2 by చూడండి రూట్ 54 ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు 9 4s సారీ 9 6 9 6 రూట్ 9 into 6 3 by 2 3 by 2 9 square root of 9 అంటే 3 that is 2 by 3 root 6 into 3 by 2 3 by 2 then మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే 2 by 3 root 6 into 3 2 by 3 root 6 into 3 by 2 2 by 3 root 6 into 3 by 2 క్యాన్సిలేషన్ చేస్తే 3 క్యాన్సిల్ 2 క్యాన్సిల్ ఇక్కడ 3 క్యాన్సిల్ 2 క్యాన్సిల్ ఏమొస్తుంది 2 by root 6 1 by root 6 1 by root 6 what is this is the u2 okay na this is the u2 next ఏంటి మనకి therefore ఆర్థోగోనల్ బేసిస్ ఫర్ ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నారు ఆర్థోగోనల్ బేసిస్ ఫర్ w that is what is that u1 ఏంటి 2 by root 30 minus 5 by root 30 1 by root 30 this is the u1 u2 ఏంటి 2 by root 6 1 by root 6 1 by root 6 this is the orthogonal basis for spanned by vectors and first problem by using orthogonal basis for w by using Gram-Schmidt process this is the Gram-Schmidt process okay thank you for watching.